If you've ever tried to write emails that actually convert, you probably got stuck on the first one. Your leads go cold while you think about what to say. I'm not going to write a single word today. I have one prompt. That's it. And we're going to copy and paste this into Go High Level's AI, and it's going to build the workflows and all the sequences for us. And by the end of this video, you will have a complete email sequence ready to sell. No writing, no thinking, just pure automation. Let's see if we can do it in under 5 minutes. So we're just going to jump right into it and go right into building out these sequences. So we have a prompt that's going to be doing all the heavy lifting. Again, as you know, with these AI prompts, they take forever. But before I get into any of this, I want to just break down something really simple. And that is that I had to create this video because there was so many people in my community and on YouTube that were doing email marketing either wrong on high level or weren't doing it at all. So you can even just do the research for yourself. Don't take it from me. But email marketing is legitimately one of the most important channels for selling and following up. Like, it is still so effective. I make the vast majority of my money from my email marketing. No joke. And I'm telling you right now, whether you are running ads, whether you're reaching out to people, whether you are, following up, email is still so powerful. It actually is the most powerful and it's the cheapest. So before you watch this video and you're just like, oh, whatever, this may or may not be for me, you need to have email marketing. You just have to, especially if you're a content creator, you have to have this. It is literally a game changer. And as soon as I did it, okay, again, I'm not making you a guarantee. This is my experience. But as soon as I really started hammering email marketing for both my agency and affiliate, everything changed. Revenue skyrocketed. And I never understood this. It took me so long to realize that email marketing is absolutely goated. But most importantly, email marketing in high level is incredibly easy, which is a huge opportunity. So get ready to really lock in because this video could change everything for you. Also, if you have any questions at all during this video, drop in the comments down below and I will answer personally. So the first thing I want to let you know is that if you do not understand anything about high levels email marketing and you're don't even have anything set up, don't worry. I will be linking a video at the end of this video that is the complete guide to email marketing high level, from everything from setting up your sending domains, getting into the inbox. We'll cover all of that and that will be linked at the end of this video. So please do not worry. Still watch this regardless, but this is geared towards someone that is already set up with email and ready to launch and really start hammering people. But still, I have you covered either way at the end of this video. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking this entire prompt, which took me forever to build, okay, and you get this free right down below by signing up with my 30-day free trial. Again, if you really don't like my private community, after 30 days, you can cancel. No sweat off your back. But that way, we have committed people that really want to use this, but it is free. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this entire email prompt. We're going to come right into the automation builder, and we're going to go right to build using AI. Then we're going to paste it, but we're not going to click enter right away because if we come right in here, you will see these, okay, are highlighted. This is really important. So for certain prompts like this, you're going to have to take a bit of time. A prompt is not a magic hack. I'm going to repeat that. A prompt is not a magic hack. There are some people out here that think they can just click a couple buttons and be done. It is not like that. Sometimes when you really want AI to do the work for you and do well, you got to put in a little more work. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be filling out this entire thing in here. So first things first, we're going to start with the offer. You're going to just do this right alongside with me. If you're already in my private community, okay, and you're already in here, this will just be right under the AI prompt section. So grab that because I got a lot of people that are already in my community watching this. If you're not, hop right in. But either way, even if you're in neither and you choose not to be in neither, you still want to watch this video because it's going to show you what's possible and go over some insane strategies. So you want to watch this. Okay, so first thing is our offer. We're going to do website design and SEO for plumbers. That is going to be our offer. So you're going to want to put in your exact offer. Then for audience, okay, we are going to put in plumbers. Again, it's very simple. They're in brackets. You just fill it out as you see it. Price, we are going to do $497 free website, $497 SEO. So we're going to use that as lead magnet. From name, this is really important, guys. You got to have this. We're going to do Declan the Wizard. Again, guys, just put in exactly as I'm doing, the from name, whatever you are, whoever you are, put in your from name or whatever business you represent, very important. Again, we're just going right through. I'm going through it with you together. If you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments down below. CTA, free website. So, okay, we're kind of using a beautiful little thing. Emails, how many? We are going to do 7. Urgency, offer only available for a week. Again, you're going to put in exact urgency that you would need to put in. You're going to want to have that because it's going to work better. Niche, plumbers proof. We're just going to do none for now because this is a test, but you would put in your proofs if you have testimonials, if you have links, you want to put that in. Sequence launch, we're going to do nurture. If you don't know what these are, drop a comment down below, but it's essentially a different kind of promo. Like, are you hitting cold people? Are you hitting warm people? Are you hitting people that opt in? It's a whole different kind of process. We're going to go over a little bit of that in a sec, so don't worry. Trigger is, we're going to do form submitted, because you can even manually submit forms if you get people's info on like a networking meeting or something. Delay between emails, we are just going to do 1 day. That is perfectly fine. Goal event, what we want is we want free website sign-ups and, very important, and $497 upsell monthly. So again, you put in exactly what we're putting in right here. If you're like confused about all this and you're more of a beginner, or even you're more advanced and confused, I highly recommend you check out my free community down below. We go over all this stuff in the training, but we also have a ton of different live calls you can attend, even ones with me for free. It's all free. We will literally help you with this stuff if you're completely confused. So again, it's free, so you might as well check it out, or you can upgrade into it. But I think that's a really good thing for some of you guys that do not understand. Exit on reply, yes, because we want to take them out. Re-entry, we're going to do yes. Again, if any of this confuses you, drop a comment. I'm here to help. That's the point of these videos. Real quick, guys, the videos on my channel are very interactive. Unlike other guys' video where you just watch them and you're like, huh? I want you to watch and then put comments so I can answer, so it is an educational piece. Because yes, I have absolutely the best community. Yes, you want to get in because it has everything. But at the same time, I want it to be to the point where you can watch my YouTube videos and get feedback and you're helped regardless. That's what I want. Like I am here to give away the most free stuff. That is my goal. So with this kind of stuff, it's like when you have questions, please drop them so I can help you out. Tags, we're just going to do none for now, but now it's done. So this is going to not only build, okay, the email sequences, but as you've seen here, it's building the workflows as well, which is the automations, because that's the whole point. We want a one and done system where we don't have to keep going back and messing with it. So now that this is all looking great, we are now going to click enter. Again, you want to just go through it, make sure it's all filled out right, then click enter, and the automation is going to go to work and build it out. Boom, look at that, done and dusted. Look how big this thing is. So this is the whole point of this prompt we're using, is it's not just a, hey, build an automation, it's building an automation with the emails embedded. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through and check to make sure everything is all dialed in. Then we're gonna go over some stuff with launching and how to actually send this and lists. But real quick, if you genuinely don't like email marketing, or you don't like any of this, please just like swallow your pride or your confusion, whatever it is, and please do it. I beg you. I was like so against it for so long. I was like, there's no way it's going to work. And when I finally did it, especially on high level, it was like the biggest revelation in marketing, because it actually made everything so much more autopilot and made me more money. Again, these are my results. I'm not guaranteeing that to you, but please just use it. It will change everything for you, like especially if you have lead magnets. So the first thing is you're going to want to have your form submitted. So you're going to come right in here. You're going to do form is, and you're going to pick the exact form you have. So for us, it would be a contact us or a claim form offer, and we're going to save the trigger. Don't know what you have, but you're going to want to have a form where you collected opt-in, and then from there it can add them in. Because here's the thing, if you're doing like networking or smaller stuff, you can take a picture with the Lead Connector app of their exact business card, and I have other videos on this, take it and immediately put it in this workflow, and then it kicks off, which is very important. So let's go through and see how well this basically built out the emails that I have. All right, so first thing first is email number 1. Okay, we're going to click it. Boom. Okay, I did it. Perfect. We just need to put in the from email. We'll talk about that in a sec. But look at this. Boom, contact name. I'm Declan. I want to share something surprising results from plumbers, blah, 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 blah. We jumped into the fort. Dude, this is so good. Like, it's got so much different stuff. And again, we didn't put the placeholder in, so we need to. But as you see here, it's going to go through and it's going to warm them up. Then what's going to do, it's going to wait a day, which is what you're going to want. And then second, which is going to be the story hook, okay? Following Russell Brunson's amazing offer. Boom, it goes through it. Same thing. Belief. You can look for yourself. Like, it's actually good emails. These aren't just random emails. It's good emails. And it's going to go through each one of these. And guys, this is built, this exact prompt is built using some Russell Brunson framework, Alex Ramosi framework. It's a bunch of different to slowly change their belief in buying whatever you have. That's why it's important to fill this section out so well, because it's going to make it perform better. So we can just keep going. Email 6, email 7. You could technically add a bunch more stuff here. You could add kind of different calls to action. There's different stuff. But one of the things I want to quickly go over, as you see here, is there's no from email. What I recommend you do on all of your automations is always come to settings settings and plug in these. Again, if you have a phone number, you want to put in the exact number, email, you want to put in the email, but you want to add in all the stuff because when you put it under here in the settings, guys, it populates in every single one of these. That's how it works. So that's how it goes. You just want to go through, make sure this all looks really good. Make sure the naming conventions properly. Then from there, once it works the way you want it, you test the workflow. So you pick a contact, you run a test to make sure it's working. Then from there, turn it on, publish it. Very important. You want to see the workflow saved because if there's any errors, they pop up over here. Once this workflow is saved, you are now ready to do the email marketing side of things. So very important, guys, and I want to make this super clear. If you do not have any sort of email marketing set up, like I talked about before, and you are completely lost, I will be linking the complete updated guide at the end of this video on High Level. Don't worry. Like, it will literally show you how to set up the email so you can send email, how to land an inbox. Like, it's amazing. It's the best email marketing video on High Level out there, but don't worry, I have you covered. So don't be like, oh no, is he going to show me? I have you covered. The first way we're going to be doing this is the manual way. So if we come into the contacts tab, you can either click all of the contacts or one, and we can go right here and we click send email. And then we click confirm and proceed. And then right in here, we can pick what we created before, which would be from an existing template, which if you look in here, it is in there. But we're not going to be doing that just manually. We want to trigger the automation. So what we would do is we come to trigger automation. We click select workflow. Remember what it was called? Plumber SEO nurture sequence. We put in the exact action name, and then we send in drip if it's a lot of people. If it's not a lot of people, you can just immediately schedule at once. That's like up to 100. And then you click add to automation, and it's going to immediately add them into the automation. So that is the way this is going to fire off manually. So again, if you want to like bring a list in here, say you download a list by importing, and then you click all of them and you want to quickly add it to, the email, that's how you would do it. But if you want to have this kind of like fully autopilot with your collecting leads, what I always do is through the forms tab, basically have this be the way all the leads come in. So let's come back here. Let's see which one we clicked. We click contact us and marketing form. So we'll go to marketing form right here. And as you see, anytime someone puts in their name, email, phone, it will then trigger this automation to then send the emails. That's kind of how you want this whole process to go down because it's just much easier and much simpler and much better. But that's really how we do it. Then it's just like rinse, recycle, repeat. Because here's the thing, if you're contacting a couple people, whatever, not a big deal. But if you have tons of leads coming in and you're talking to tons of different people, okay, and lots of people submitting your form, you want this to be automated because it will be overwhelming after a while. Okay, like very overwhelming. And in the video I'm linking at the end of this video, I also show you how to set up the email AI chatbots, which are huge because then from there it's fully automated. Because again, guys, our whole goal here is to build a system that works for you, not you working for a system. And unfortunately, that's what a lot of the people in the high level space do and have, is they have a system where they are slaves to it. You do not want that. You want a system to work for you so you get leverage and you can put more time back into growing the business. Okay, working on the business versus working in the business. That's the big distinction. But from there, you're really set and you're good to go. That is all you have to do. Use this exact prompt. Okay, use it in the automation builder. Check, test, make sure everything's going right. Look at everything. And from there, you're good to go. That's it. And I'm telling you right now, again, like I said, you can just research it. Email marketing is incredible. But on High Level, they make it very easy. Like very easy. You go to other platforms, it's more expensive, it's harder to learn, it's a pain in the ass. With this, it is very easy. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, drop them down below. If you want the prompt and you want access to my entire private community, all the calls, and actually help setting a lot of this stuff up if you're kind of a newbie and you're like, this is freaky, don't worry. You go down below, you either sign up for the 30-day, get in for free, try it out, or upgrade under me. If you already are fully upgraded and you have a bunch of other stuff, you can just click the other link down below. But also, if you have any questions, you can always message me. But that's it. Super simple. Okay, got no course to sell you. You just get in for free and you try it out. But what I want to do now, like I said before, is I want to link the video that's going to go over the entire email marketing system inside of High Level, show you how to build AI chatbots, how to do a sending domain, how to get in their inbox, how to not get bounced. Like, it is everything. It is the best email marketing tutorial available on YouTube. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and watch the video that pops up right now.